doing for a while now is a super Israeli behavior. Let's find out what it is. So I have a tiny dog named Lily, and I like to go on errands with her. When I went into my local Schuberstadt grocery store, they told me that I had to hold her if I wanted to come in. So the next time I went there, I looked for the person that told me this. When I couldn't find them, I put her on the ground like I wanted. So what was I doing that's just so Israeli? It's called Shitat Mashliach, which translates to success method, meaning doing what I want until someone tells me otherwise. It stems from an old Israeli joke where a diner gets a bill at a restaurant and listed on the items is matzliach. So he calls over the waiter and says, I didn't order this matzliach. And the waiter says, sometimes you succeed, sometimes you fail. In this case, I failed. So since I'm American and I've been stopped too many times, I found a new solution. If you're looking for more insights into Israeli culture, life, language, and learning Hebrew, then you have to check out Rosen School of Hebrew.